How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see, this is an AI influencer, and this is his name, and have subscribers or real people follow him, as you can see. And also we have here this one has over 300K followers. It's powered by AI. That means it's an AI influencer, and it's followed by real people, and even it doesn't exist. So this is a various picture with this AI, and this is a lot of likes, a lot of comments. So you can create yours too and earn money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of AI character, um, of social media marketing, and reckoning cash like never before. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. In this video, I show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to get started is using AI character on YouTube is creating an AI character. But don't worry, you don't have actually to create it, because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. It's and it will lead you to this homepage. As you can see, here we have these two options. If you want to get started, you can just click over here and then you can get started. And here we have a lot of options, so you can find use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. So you can find a lot of things. For example, for use cases, you can find product overviews, skill outreach, learning and development features. You can find AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video streaming, avatar, zipper. Resources, you can find blog, creator fund, affiliate program, ambassador program, weekly webinar, case studies, help center. For the company, you can find about task, safety and ethics, careers. So you can find a lot of things that can help you to more understand the website, how it works. And if you want to sign up, you can just click on one of these and then you can sign up. But before signing up, you can here find an AI character explaining or introducing the website using the script, and you can use yours too. So you can choose the script you want, and the AI character will explain the topic that you choose. And this is another AI character explaining a specific topics. For example, this one, product marketing, sales outreach. For the third one, learning and development, content marketing. For the fourth one, so there's a various topic that you can earn money with it, and then you can get started with. This is the AI avatars. As you can see here, we have a lot of AI character. So you can choose the one you want and then you can get started with. So to get started, you can just click as I mentioned, and then you can enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you can start, and it will lead you to the home page. So this is the home page that we can get. So this is the home page. As you can see here, we have these three my recent creations, Harry. So you can have this recent creation if you already sign up and have account here. Here we have Hygiene Learning Guide. If you didn't understand something about, for example, AI Studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation, so you can go over here and click on which one you want, and then you can, or it help you to more understand how it works. And then you can go to the template. As you can see here, we have various templates, so you can find a various AI character explaining a various topic. So you can choose the one you want and get started with. So it's depend on what you want and things suits your content. And if you more scroll down, you'll find here avatars. So you can go to video avatar and then go to studio avatar. You can find a various AI character. So You can choose the one you want, the one suits you, and then you're gonna start. So let's, for example, select that one, Jeremy insert. So this three dot if you wanna edit avatar, if you wanna get avatar ID. This one if you wanna create video with this avatar. So you can click over here and go to landscape, and it will lead you to this page. As you can see, this is our EI character, so you can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle. You can also determine the size you want it, and if you want to edit animation, you can edit it by clicking edit an effect on intro. If you want to edit effect on leave, so here we have a various one, as you can see. And for the script, you can delete that one and then you can edit yours. If you want to edit another script, you can click on this plus icon. If you want to edit post section, you can edit it. So you can make it 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. If you want to edit recording, you can edit it too by clicking on start. If you want to employ audio, you can employ it. And for the GPT script writer, so you can type the topic you want if you find some difficulties on writing script, and GPT script writer will help you to create one. And for the translation, you can translate the script on the language you want, so you can just select the language and then this one will help you to translate it, so by clicking on apply. And for the voices, you can find here various voices, various type of voices. You can find natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and languages too. So you can select the language you want of your voice, and you'll find here a lot of voices. And for the gender, of course, the EI character that I choose is male. For the gender, of course, of my voice will be male. And the age, you find here a various age, so you can find child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice. The function too, so you can adjust the function the way you want, so it's depend on how you want it. And if you find or if you finally finish editing, you can just go over here and click on submit, and your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So there's a various way you can earn money with it. So you can for example start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales. So you can just click sign up and then generate it through the referral links. You can have your links and you can put it on your YouTube channel using this EI character, or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer. Can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So all you have to do is just create or just a specific topic, then you can script it and then you can make this kind of videos. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencers. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.